stuck. So we got a call for some kind of a car that is stuck out here in the, they call it 3 corners, which is a silly name because there's 2 corners.
And a line.
Yeah, 2 corners and a line. Anyway, they're stuck out here. Last time we were out in this part of the world, we were with the Bleepin' Jeep crew picking up a Razor or a Can-Am that had scattered all over out here.
Looks to the floor.
But this time it's just a car that was out here trying to turn around. They got a wheel off the road and that stopped them good. Got Tom here.
Hello. It's like mid-50s maybe today. Sunny, calm, clear, nice day.
Yeah, it is a nice day. Well, we're gonna head right down this cactus lined road and we're gonna find them and we're gonna get them out. A road like this in the MORR is a lot of fun to drive. This isn't as fast as like a pre-runner or a trophy truck. It's not really set up for that, but it still eats these roads up and makes them just smooth as butter. I really love it.
So you run a 2-wheel a lot.
Yeah, I don't use 4-wheel drive unless I need it. It's a lot less stress on the entire system. This goes pretty much everywhere in 2-wheel drive, and then it goes everywhere else in 4. See, I see him up there.
You got a visual.
How's it going?
How are you? It's you the tow truck?
Yep.
Wow,
We're gonna get you out of here. Let's go look at this.
Okay.
We were looking for a road. This isn't exactly a road.
Yeah, so but that's what the map says. And when
Where are you trying to go?
to the 3 state,
Three corners.
the 3 corners, yeah.
So it's straight. It's almost straight that way. Okay, let's figure out how to get this out of here.
So I tried to put. Someone told me to put the carpet.
No.
I don't know. And to take the sand off, but
ATF.
I think it's the road.
Is this your car or a rental car? It is out of oil. There's a hole in the oil pan. What do we got under here? Okay, we got a good one over there. So we got a problem now.
Can't even start it. Where'd you come out of?
Yeah, where do you need to be?
I tried to look where is the closest location of Earth. I'm gonna bring in the car. You know,
Okay.
because you said I can't to drive with this without an oil, right?
Yeah, we can't even start it. I wonder if this has some kind of a tow mode for the transmission.
Looks like they gave you a point.
Yeah. We'll test it. How do we put it in neutral without starting the car? So let's see. We're gonna
be a problem to open it only for 5 seconds. 10
Yeah,
seconds.
it'll try to start it till it starts.
It'll start. It's got gas.
Yeah, it'll start, but there's no oil pressure. And right now it doesn't have a ruined engine
Well,
unless it was running. Did you drive it after it broke?
30 minutes ago it was on, so because it was a little bit cold, so I opened for 5 minutes I opened the AC, so it's working. But I
Oh,
opened-
you ran it?
Yeah, only for 3-4 minutes because it was very cold. So I know it's working.
Spare tire. Towing. Okay, so it says it can be flat towed in neutral. So we can get you back to the road. When towing your vehicle in an emergency without wheel dollies, place the ignition switch in the accessory position. I don't know how to do that.
one
That
click.
says accessory. Place shift button in neutral, which it's not letting me do. Look at that. I'm doing exactly what it's saying in the owner's manual. A lot of you have suggested that I read the owner's manual when I don't know what I'm doing. But I'm doing exactly what it asks me to do.
Can you go one click further?
That just,
Now you're in run. So I'd shift it back to accessory and leave it in.
okay, let's try that. Luckily, Tom was here to tell me to push the button twice. I want to look and see what's wrong with this trans. Like, what happened here? We were resting the car on that rock is what happened. Oh my goodness. Well, that's all the oil. Right? That looks like all the oil. So I'm thinking, Tom,
How far were we back to the main road?
we've got to go out this other way. It's got a fine thread on it. We don't use these very often. Not every car has them. Not every car that has them still has them. And they're not very good at lateral pulls. If you have to pull very hard, they'll just break off. I've never done it, but I've seen it. All right, so Tom's gonna be pulling us out of here. I'm gonna be trying to pick the best way for this low little car. The oil pan's already ruined, so I don't have to be careful with that. So this car just put it in some sort of an auto park. So let's try this again. Okay, we're back in neutral. All right, let's see if this will roll. This. All right, so this is obviously all locked up and we don't know why. So it rolled just fine. We followed the instructions in the owner's manual, put it in reverse. I might have to turn it off again and start over. So let me turn it off. This is all-wheel drive too.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. So we've turned it off. So we'll go to accessory. It won't let me shift. So we push it again. Now it will let me shift. Okay, go give it a try. That worked. We're in neutral again. So the owner's manual did not give us any distance warning about like how far we could flat tow this in neutral with the engine off. I'm going to heed that warning that wasn't given. Man, this poor car, it should not be back here. It should not be on this road. All right, we're through the worst part of the road, in my opinion. I think that the road's just gonna get smoother and smoother. We get to the top of this hill, turn right on an even better road. So this is the situation. This is a rental car. It is completely disabled. We are flat towing it about 12 miles, less than 20 miles an hour. I don't know what we're gonna do when we get back there because I can't tow this back to the rental car place. I can't leave the customer in the car. There's no heat in it. And the town that we're going to is Littlefield, Arizona. There's nothing there. So we've got to figure out what we're gonna do to make sure that he is safe. And whew, this is a little rough, Tom. We've got to make a plan that makes sure the customer's safe and everything's handled in a good way. All right, so what we've decided to do is we're leaving the car there. They're sending the tow truck to pick it up. We're headed into St. George. We're going to take the customer by the airport, drop them off so they can get a rental car. And we're getting gas, look. All right, what size shirt do you want?
Wow. Thank you very much.
Yeah, you are most welcome.
Yeah.
So we got a call for a truck that is stuck in the snow up near Bryan Head. So we're gonna head up here, see if we can get it out.
It's about 40 degrees outside. It's sunny.
Lion Head is around 12,000 feet above sea level in elevation. I don't think we're going to be getting quite that high today, maybe 11,000 feet. But there's a ski resort up here, pretty cool place.
We got up here on top of the mountain and the roads are a little bit slick.
There's a really strong wind out there. It's actually a headwind while we're climbing this hill. It's probably closer to 30 degrees out there now. We've climbed quite a bit.
I'm a little nervous with this headwind. It's gonna be cold.
The customer's supposed to be meeting us up here at the truck, so hopefully they're here.
Because we have a party to be at tonight.
Yeah, I got a Christmas party.
And we're gonna be cutting it close.
We're gonna be late. Yeah, there's our truck right there. I don't know. He did do some work. There he is. Okay, so I'm gonna drive down there and see if I can find a path up out of there so we don't have to back up.
And we're stuck.
We are stuck.
Oh, poor rat. You're dusting him with snow. Look at him.
Okay. Colin, we'll put that Jeep right there. He's sitting there with his brake on.
Watch me fall.
Okay, Colin, give me the controller. I need you in this. We're gonna park on the road. We're gonna pull him up the same way I just came. Okay, put it in drive, but no gas. Okay, the MORR is your target. Okay, Colin, stop.
Look at you multitasking. Two vehicles and 2 winches that you're trying to take care of.
Yeah.
3 vehicles, I guess.
Okay, Colin, start coming. I'm too far away. I've got to be out. Jamie, can you sit in this seat?
Yep. I'll gladly sit in the seat. It's way, way warmer than outside.
All right. Jamie, you want to go pull up? Colin, do you want to pull up? Just turn around and park.
Well, he got stuck on the other side of the road first, and then he pulled him out,
Yeah,
and then he decided to try the other side of the road.
I gave him one free pull, and I got stuck.
Thank you much.
Thank you.
That worked out pretty good. I'm glad we had both rigs. We were pretty much pulling.
Had me worried there at the beginning.
Why?
When you pulled yourself down in there and then we got stuck.
Oh no, we had the banana was out.
It was so calculated, is that what you're saying?
Yeah, like well, I wasn't worried.
Whatever. I was.
I wanted to make a path through there, so whether I got stuck doing it or didn't get stuck, I needed to go through there anyway.
Okay.
Well, I guess that's that. Wasn't as cold out there as I thought it was going to be.
It was freezing.
Yeah, freezing, like literally 32 degrees, but that's not that cold. Well, it's been a really good day. We've done several rescues, but we've got a Christmas party to get to, so we're going to do that.
Thanks for watching. Why do I need to film?
Because my hands are cold.